The Kargil War Memorial was built by the Indian Army in remembrance of soldiers who fought the derided and unforgettable War of Kargil. It is located opposite to the Chief Secretary Office at the northern end of the main Puducherry beach. At Prabhanath Beach, the statue of Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, is one of the main landmarks in the territory of Puducherry. The statue was built by a popular sculptor, Roy Chowdhury. A old lighthouse was constructed in Pondicherry in the 19th century by the French rulers. It has been first beamed light on 1st September 1836. The old custom house, named as Duane Customs, constructed during 1933, acquired in 1966. It was located in Gubbet Avenue, Beach Road, Puducherry. The French War Memorial in Puducherry is a war memorial dedicated to the residents of French India who died for the country during the First World War. It was located in the opposite of Gandhi statue. The present Le Café or the Old Port of Pondicherry is believed to be built in 17th century by the Dutch. It's now converted into a cafe by the Tourism Department of Puducherry. Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Mani Mandapam. It was located in Beach Road. It was a memorable place for Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It was a small children park. It was located in the southern end of the beach. This granite statue was erected in the memory of the French governor named Joseph Francis Dupleix. He ruled Pondicherry between the year of 1742 to 1754. Sunrise viewpoint in Rock Beach. This is the very best place to visit a sunrise in Rock Beach. Casual walk on Rock Beach. This is the best place to walk at the morning while feel the fresh air and the best view of our Pondicherry beach.